Okay, now it's on.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna play Happy Wheels. Oh shoot, wrong thing. Load level. Nope. Wow, I'm really effing up already. Let's try this 5-star. You screwed me, man. Okay. No. What the fuck? Oh shit. Ship. Oh, mother fuck. Go. Oh, there. What the fudge? Oh. My goodness, how can you do this? It's like impossible. Chill. Okay, go. Roll with it. Oh lord. Oh my son of a. This is impossible, yo. No. Oh, froze. Of course I would die. Okay, try a new character then. Let's try Santa, because he can fly. Fly! Oh my goodness, they're so fat. Santa's too fat. Let's try the Pogo Man. Oh, what the the skinny ass Pogo, and he's on the ledge. I'm on the edge. Oh, mother trucker. Eh. Wee. Go, one more. 1, 2, 3. You can make it. Ah! No, what the oh my. Go. God damn it. Oh my son of a gun. So guys, have you heard Hurricane Sandy's coming up? So yeah, good luck to you all. Hope I see you next time. What are you all gonna be for Halloween? Oh, mother chucker! Oh yes, finally, after the 15,000 times. Where are the coins? Oh, I should have done that. Oh Lord, thank you. Oh my goodness, this is how I'm gonna travel this whole game. This sucks. Oh, what the That's impossible. You know what? No one saw anything. Let's try this one. Epic dot run. Okay. Let's try the child. Oh, what the fudge? Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh my goodness. What the fudge? Where's the end anyway? Oh! Oh, ha. Oh. Oh, what the fudge is he doing? I can't even see where the end is. One more try. Wee up. Will I make it? Not even close, am I? I don't even know where the end is. Let's try this. Pogo Dodging Pro. Oh gosh. Oh yes. Make it. No. If I die, this will be a fail. Oh my goodness. I can't jump. Oh. Skill. Are you serious? I died. I guess, guys, he got ahead of himself. Ta-dunch. Okay, I gotta stop. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I didn't even do anything yet. Haha, miss. Miss me. Eh. Okay. Ready? No. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Go! Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, I almost died again. Alright, what is this one? Oh my! Same one. He took an arrow to the knee. Oh my goodness, good thing I ducked. I didn't mean to do that, but let's say I just did that because I'm awesome. Oh! Oh. No! Oh, okay. No! Am I still alive? Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, yeah. Vroom vroom, mother chucker. Oh, oh my goodness. No. Survive. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Last try, last try. Oh my goodness, no one saw that. What the fudge? It waited for me? Okay, last try. Throom. I just... Okay. This is bolt. This is bolt. Santa gets pooned. Okay, I'm guessing going with him. JK Santa. What? It says Santa. Okay, I get... Okay. Oh, what the fudge? No fair. His weight. Chill. His weight. F you, Elf. You don't help at all. Oh, gosh. Oh, you needed... What's the sound effects for? That's what I just said. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Move. Go backwards. Maybe it will work. Yes. Go down. Oh, what the f... What was the point of this? There's no possible... Okay, that's a... It's a trampoline, I guess? Air trampoline? Turn it up. Just dance. Turn it up. Just dance. If you go back... Wait, if I go back, you will get some cookies. I wonder if there's cookies. You lied to me. I can't believe I fell for that. Oh my gosh. I am... That's not even funny. Oh, mother sugar. No, 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 no. And then this kills me. That's bullshit. What the fudge? Oh. I don't even press the wheel things. Oh, what the... Oh my goodness. Ha ha. I'm still alive, ha. Oh my gosh. How is that even possible? It goes through wood. I'm just necessarily fail. I mean, oh my goodness, I can't even speak. Try to survive. Challenge accepted. Oh, what the fudge. Whee! Yay! I survived. Oh, okay, I did not fail that time. Turn it up, just dance. Turn it up, just dance. Sorry, there it was our problem loading. Blah de blah. How do you fit through that hole? It's so small and I'm so big. Let's try this small hole. Oh, no, same situation. It's too small. It's both small. You know what? Ugh! See what's down there. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Well, they made me go all the way for no apparent reason. Yes! Just a demo. Yeah! I won! Woo! Toby plays, please, play, please, there. Ugh. I'm guessing that's Tobuscus. Shout out to Tobuscus. Yeah, buddy. Oh gosh. Oh my son of a gun. Let's try this lady. Oh my goodness. Let's try this Pratty. You see that little bright light, right? They're shining it out and I'm trying to sleep and like, what the fuck? Like, a hole. BRB, gonna throw out my homework. I'm just gonna pretend Hurricane Sandy took it. Like, peace. I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, just really bored. I'm the only sibling in the house. My sister's in college. Yeah, there's nothing to do. No internet. No phone service-ish, or the person just don't text back. Okay, so, Hurricane Sandy. It is... oh my goodness, it's my pocket. Wow, fail. 7:20 p.m. So, I don't know when time this light's going out. So, oh, never mind. Okay, but, see you later. Peace. Time is 10:22. And this is, like, so dark. Yeah, that's just my blinking red light. Yeah, so, I just woke up because my gutters, like, banging on the window because it, like, broke off some of it, so, yeah. And my mom woke up, too. And she has work tomorrow. And, like, she came in the room, we're just enjoying the view. And, like, we're just having a moment, and she farts with the fudge. And now my room smells. So, I'm not gonna go to sleep for, like, about, like, 30 or an hour. Maybe a day. It's okay. Alright, peace, guys. Yes. Oh no, wait, yeah. Yes, I won. Phew. I'm so bored. Yay, won, but I'm bored.
Huh? The end. We're supposed to end it.